Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn off notes on Instagram. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram application. Click on your profile picture in the right bottom and click on three bars on the top right. So once you are here, you simply need to scroll down and here you can see different options. So you simply need to scroll down and you simply need to click on sharing and remixes. Here you can see allow notes on post and reels. When this is on, people can add notes to your post and reels. You may not see some notes based on the audience. So you simply need to click here to turn this feature off. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.